Install the filter and attach the tube to the vacuum pump at the other end. Place the stand and funnel on the bottom and mouth of the mixing body. Pour bone cement, powder and liquid, into the mixing body. Remove the funnel. Close the mixing cap tightly and switch on the vacuum pump, ensuring that the vacuum source is working. Pull the mixing rod until it reaches the top. Slow and steady to mixing the cement. Stop the vacuum pump and disconnect tubbing from the cap of the mixing device. Remove the mixer stand. Bend the rod to break it. Remove the white stopper. Install syringe nozzle. Mount the mixing body on the injection gun or activate the pistol trigger until it meets the plunger of the mixing body, and activate the trigger with the cannula upwards until it fills the application cannula. Position the cannula and activate the trigger to dispense bone cement. Use a push rod to push out the remaining cement inside the nozzle.